Pipedrive versus Monday CRM. Which is better for you, sales-focused versus Work OS? You're looking for the best CRM software for your business, but should you choose the streamlined sales engine of Pipedrive or the versatile powerhouse of Monday.com? This CRM review video cuts through the noise to tell you exactly which platform is better for your business in 2025. Pipedrive CRM is the king of simplicity for one reason. It's purely sales-focused. It operates entirely around its visual pipeline, making it incredibly intuitive for sales reps. If your team lives and breathes deals, prospecting, and forecasting, Pipedrive's straightforward drag-and-drop interface keeps the focus 100% on moving deals forward. It's lean, mean, and built to close. Monday.com CRM is different. It's a true work OS. While it absolutely has a robust CRM component, it shines when you need to connect sales to every other part of your company, marketing, operations, and development. Monday offers unparalleled flexibility with its customizable boards, automation recipes, and dozens of templates. If you need one platform to manage your sales pipeline and your marketing campaigns, Monday is your unified solution. So, here's my honest recommendation. If you are a dedicated sales team and want the simplest tool to track deals, go with Pipedrive. But if you're a growing business that needs a flexible, company-wide operating system that happens to include a powerful CRM, then Monday.com is the clear winner. To get started with either platform and secure the best possible sign-up deal right now, check the exclusive links in the description below. Be blessed and peace.